What's up everybody? Aaron with Quality Service today out of Mebane, North Carolina. I'm going to show you how to pull the burner out and do a draft test. Kind of help diagnose it and some minor cleaning things that you can do. Alright, if you got this little sensor has tripped and you push it in, sometimes the issue can be that this thing needs service, the screen needs vacuum down here, lack of airflow, or lack of combustion. So you're going to have to open this burner up, unplug your igniter wire. You want to turn your gas off. You actually don't have to shut the gas off because nothing's lit. It's not calling for it. You're going to unhook your pilot tube. This one's a reverse thread. Plug that, unplug that. Take a 1/4-inch nut driver. There's two little 1/4-inch screws right here. Don't lose them. Out, and now's a good time. You could actually go ahead and clean this up. See, that flame sensor comes out all the way to here. So to service this, there's some honeycomb in here. You can beat on that, vacuum everything up, vacuum the screen out, pop that screen back, vacuum underneath there. Now's the time to go ahead and test everything. So what you want is to go ahead and do a draft test. You're going to need a lighter and a piece of paper towel. Paper towel works the best because it emits a lot of smoke. So what we're looking for here is we're going to light this on fire, and we're going to make sure it's better to do this if it's hot, but it should still work even if it's not. You're going to light it on fire, you're going to blow it out, and you're wanting to hold it right here and make sure it's sucking the smoke up the vent. Blow it out. You're going to hold it right there at the opening, and it should suck the smoke in. It's going to be your first draft test. Then we're going to do the same thing up here on top. Get some smoke going. We're going to hold that right there, just underneath the hood, and make sure it pulls about 80–90% of the smoke up inside there. If you hold it out, it should draw it. That's how you're going to do a draft test. Let's make sure everything's flowing like it should. If there's an air unit in the room or something like that, it can actually blow it back out. That's one reason that a pilot light would constantly go back out.